ah as in father. For the ah sound, the lips are apart as if you're yawning. The lips are not rounded. The tongue is relaxed and flat at the bottom of the mouth. The common spelling patterns for this sound are O as in hot, stop, modern, and job, and A as in father, watch, dark, and want. Word pairs.
Common problem. Body shop. Occupy the office. Office politics. From top to bottom.
Logical response. Hot topic. Modern hospital. Non-stop. Sloppy job. Sentences for practice.
Ronald is confident that he got the job. Scott goes to a lot of rock concerts. The doctor operated in the modern hospital. Bob will probably lock the office. He's got a lot of dollars in his pocket.
Quick review. Vowel contrasts for a and ah. Make sure that you don't pronounce these pairs of words the same.
Hat. Hot. Lack. Lock. Sack. Sock. Sang. Song.
Cap. Cop. Add. Odd. Rack. Rock. Tap. Top. Word combinations for a and ah. Make sure that the two words are pronounced with different vowel sounds.
Hot pan. Man's job. Top answer.
Got back. Bad dog. Back pocket. Advice from a successful student.
During my drive to and from work, I always listen to audiobooks. The speaker's voice is usually very clear and not sloppy like the speech I sometimes hear on the street. I listen closely to the accent of the speaker and try to imitate it. I play back certain parts over and over again. The more I do this, the better my accent gets.